focal length. Okay, so we have to see what is meant by focal length. I am going to put a diagram. See, we have a lens here with a rough surface here and a polished surface inward. Okay, suppose if there is a parallel beam of light coming and hitting the spherical surface like this. Okay, now what will happen is it will start moving in this way and converge at one point. This point of convergence is called as a principal focus and we represent it with capital F, and this is the pole we know. So the distance between P and F is known as the focal length. Is it clear? So we have F as the principal focus and the distance between P and F is known as the principal focus. And the same diagram we can put for the another lens. Actually, what type of lens it is? This is the example, this is the explanation for the concave, isn't it? Now we will discuss the convex. So in convex, we have a mirror like this and the rough surface will be here, that is inward, isn't it? This is the polishing surface, that is outside is the polishing surface, and suppose if the rays parallel to the principal axis reflected by the convex mirror. So convex mirror, what will happen is it will be like this. So it is coming like this and hitting the mirror, parallel rays. Okay, what will happen is from this point it will start diverging in the direction shown like this, But the thing is, if you see this point, if you see these rays, it appears to be coming from some point here. Is it clear? So these rays appears to be coming from some point, that is known as the principal focus. And as usual, this is P. So this PF is nothing but the focal length. Clear? So this is the explanation for both the mirrors. So just you have to understand that it is a point of convergence or the point appear to be from diverging. So these points are called as the principal focus, and the distance between the principal focus and the pole is known as the focal length. Now coming to the relation between what and what? Relation between radius of curvature and the focal length. That is nothing but R is equal to 2F. Radius of curvature is twice the focal length. So this may be our prelim question. So we have to understand the relation and we have to remember. Okay. So all the terms we have discussed here regarding the spherical mirror, pole, center of curvature, radius of curvature, principal axis, aperture, focal length, for both the mirror I have put the diagram. And we have discussed about the relation between the what and what, radius of curvature and the focal length. Clear?